OpenKM lets you saved and shared searches so different users can reuse them. In this example, user A runs a search with the desired criteria. When saving it, you can choose one or both options: save it as user news and/or save it as shared. In this case, we'll save it as shared. Under Stored Searches, a new tab appears, Shared Searches. This is where you'll find searches that have been shared with other users. Now we'll log out. Next, we'll log in as another user. As you can see, this user already has access to the shared search. From this account, we'll create and save a new search. This time, we'll save it as shared and also as user news. If we go back to Store Searches, we can see this search is now listed in both places, user news and shared. Searches saved as user news can also be displayed on the dashboard. Here's the search on the dashboard. And if we switch users again, we'll still see it under user news, and it will also remain available as shared search. Shared searches can be used by everyone, but only the user who creates them can edit or delete them. This makes collaboration easier in OpenKM, when user can create a search, share it, and others can reuse it whenever they need.